A public interest litigation has been filed in the Supreme Court after the tragic deaths of several children allegedly caused by Caldriff cough syrup manufactured by Sreesan Pharma Private Limited in Tamil Nadu. The PIL, filed under Article 32, accuses the Union Ministry of Health and the drug regulator CDSCO of regulatory failure for not recalling the contaminated syrup even after lab tests confirmed the presence of diethylene glycol, a toxic industrial chemical. The syrup has reportedly led to the deaths of at least 14 children in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra due to acute renal failure. The petitioner, Advocate Vishal Tiwari, has sought a CBI probe under Supreme Court monitoring, a nationwide recall of all contaminated syrups, and creation of a national drug recall and pharmacovigilance portal. He urged the court to recognize this as a violation of the fundamental right to life and health under Article 21, calling it a tragedy born out of negligence and systemic collapse.
Tune in for crisp shots on lobby.in.